Hey everyone, I'm Abdullah, and on this channel we uncover amazing facts, psychology insights, and knowledge that actually makes you think. If you're someone who loves learning something new every day, you're in the right place. These 5 mind-blowing facts will change your body, your brain, and even the universe. And I guarantee you've never heard most of them before. Stick around. Number 4 will seriously mess with your sense of reality. What if I told you that the most complex organ can't feel pain at all? The human brain has no pain receptors. That's why neurosurgeons can operate on it while the patient is wide awake. If your brain doesn't feel pain, what else about your body is completely misunderstood? Wait till you hear fact number 2. We've always been told space is infinite. But what if Earth is more crowded than the stars? There are around 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's over 10 times more than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Crazy, right? But it's wilder. Your heart is more powerful than you ever imagined. Your heart might not look powerful, but it's secretly an engine stronger than you think. Your heart generates enough energy every day to drive a truck for 20 miles. In a lifetime, that's enough to go to the moon and back. If your heart can do that, imagine what your brain is doing right now. Fact 4 reveals how your mind plays tricks on you. You're not seeing the present, you're actually living in the past. And here's why. Because of how long it takes your brain to process visual information, you're seeing the world with a delay of about 80 to 100 milliseconds. If we're always seeing the past, what even is reality? Let's end with a fact that will completely change how you view yourself. You may feel average, but you probably know more than some of the greatest minds in history. Thanks to modern education, person today knows more than Isaac Newton did about science, the human body, and the universe. So the next time you doubt yourself, remember, you're smarter than you think, and the world is more amazing than you ever imagined. Which fact blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending knowledge.